Hello friends, welcome back to lmsle.com. In today's screencast, we will be covering the most important topic searched on YouTube as well as on Google is how to upload users in bulk in Moodle, and we will be covering that in today's video. So please stay tuned until the end of this video. It will be going to be very interesting video. You will be needing the admin permissions for uploading the users in bulk on your Moodle site, and you need to add the list of users in a spreadsheet and then save that in a CSV format, which will be then uploaded into Moodle. So we will cover all these process in this video, and I will show you each step-by-step process for this. So let us get started. So as of now, I am logged into this Moodle site as a admin, and what we'll be going is we'll be going to this site admin page, and under the users tab we will be clicking this upload users button to upload the list of users. Now here you will see a field to drop a file, or you can also upload a file here, and then we have some options here. And to get started with this upload user process, we need to have the CSV file ready with us. And to get started, you can download this example.csv, which is attached here on the same page in all the Moodle installations. So you can just click on this link and it will be downloaded to your Moodle site. And then once it is downloaded, then you can start editing that file. I have already edited the file and I will just show you on my screen right now. So as you can see on my screen, I have added the username for the users, which will be uploaded on my Moodle site in column A. And then it is followed by the first name, last name, and the email. Out of all these fields, only the username and the email field are the mandatorily required while uploading the file. Other fields are optional. So whenever you are creating a new account, you can define a password here, or you can leave it to be set by the user afterwards. You can define the course names by course 1, 2, 3, and then enter the course short name here in this field. So as of now, I want all these 3 students to be enrolled in the course with the short name as maths. Then you can also define the groups, cohort, roles, as well as if the user is deleted, suspended, and there are many other fields which can be set by using this CSV file. All the details are given on the Moodle documentation link, which I am sharing in the description section below. So you can just go through that link to understand which all fields are customizable by using this upload users CSV file. So as of now, I want this first user, student 1, to be enrolled as a manager on the system level. So after creating this spreadsheet, all you need to do is just go to the file menu on your Excel or any spreadsheet program, whichever you are using, and then click on save a copy, and then choose CSV here, comma delimited, and then I will just click on this save. So now I have got my CSV file ready, which we will be uploading to the Moodle. So now I am just going to upload my CSV file here. And then on the bottom, you can choose the CSV separator, either it is comma or any other thing. Generally it is comma, so I will just leave it to the default, and then you can define the encoding, and then you can preview the rows. So I will just keep it to 100 for the time being, because I know only there are 3 rows in this file, but still let us change it to 100, and then click on upload users. So then you will be taken to the upload users preview page, wherein you will see all the list which is there in the spreadsheet, and you can see the information. If everything is correct as per the formatting required, then you shall see this screen. Otherwise you will see some errors, and with the description, like if something is not formatted correctly in the CSV file, you will see the errors here. So as you can see that I have all the information which is there on the spreadsheet in this preview form, and everything seems good. Now under the settings tab, you can choose if you would like to add only the new users, and if there is anyone who is already an existing users, then you can skip that, or you can also update the existing users, or choose either only to update the existing users. So I will add only new users for this demonstration and skip the existing users. For the new user passwords, you can either create passwords if needed and send via email, or you can also choose it to field required in file. Since I have already set the password in the password column, so I will just choose this field required in file. And then you can also have this option to force password change. So it is applicable for the existing user, so I am not bothered about this. I will just keep it like that. You can also choose this option to standardize the usernames to yes or no, and then select for bulk users action to only the new users or updated users or all users. So I will just keep it to no. Then under the default values section, you can choose the email visibility of the users. Will it be visible to the course participants, or it will be visible to everyone, or it will be hidden for these users which you are uploading right now. So I will be just keeping it to hidden for them. And then you can also choose the option for the forum auto subscribe, and then city or ID number, institution, department, etc. And then once you are done with all these settings, just click on upload users. On the next screen, you will see the status, like how many users were created or if there are any errors while creating the users. So as you can see that here users are created 3 and then there are no errors. So we have successfully uploaded the users in Moodle. And now you can see under this enrollment, so this user is enrolled in mathematics as a student, all 3, and then this user is also assigned the system role of manager. So I will just click on continue and show you by going to the course mathematics and click continue. Now go to the my courses mathematics, and here I will go to the participants tab, and here you can see that student 1, 2 and 3, all 3 are having the student as well as this user is having the manager access, and it is just now created. So this way you can upload the users in bulk on your Moodle site. If you are able to follow this screencast, then it will be really helpful for you. And if you are facing any problem while uploading the users to your Moodle course or your Moodle site, please feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you out with the errors you are getting. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please click the subscribe button for our YouTube channel and hit the like button for this video. Thank you. Have a great day.